Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 49. A vector is described as A. Resistant vertebrate pathogenic host, B. Non-vertebrate pathogen, C. Large collection of pathogen, D. Disease-causing insect, and E. Disease-causing agent. Now, from this option, we have to pick an answer that is best described as a vector. Now, vectors, according to option A, are resistant vertebrate pathogenic host. Now, this option would have been correct if this vertebrate here was to be what? Invertebrate, because it is known that vectors are what? Invertebrates. They do not possess backbone, so making this answer invalid. Option B says they are non-vertebrate pathogens. Now, vectors are not pathogens. Vector simply refers to what? Disease carrying organism. In other words, vectors are organisms that carries what? Disease-causing organism. That is, vectors are the carrier of these pathogens. They are the carrier of what? Of pathogens. These pathogens that causes disease are actually carried by what? These disease vectors. So vectors are not what? Pathogens. They are carrier of these what? Pathogens. They are pathogen carriers. So making this option what? Invalid. Now C says large collection of pathogens. Like I said, vectors are not pathogens. There's a difference between what? Pathogens and vector. Pathogens are the disease-causing organisms, while vectors are what? These pathogen carriers. So they are disease-carrying organisms. Now this is disease-causing insects. Now, like we know, vectors are what? Are insects that what? Carry disease-causing organisms. So therefore, we can say that what? Vectors are disease-causing insects, because these pathogens carried by this insect or these vectors causes this disease. So we can refer to them as what? Disease-causing insects. Take for instance the housefly. The housefly is a vector that causes what? Cholera or dysentery. Now, the main cause of this cholera or dysentery now is a pathogen, but it is being carried by what? By this housefly. So we can therefore say the housefly is a disease-causing insect. So making this option what? Valid. Now E here says the disease-causing agents. Disease-causing agents are generally referred to as what? Pathogens. So now the most suitable answer to this question is option D, which is disease-causing insects. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.